We visit the freelanced Mount Hood Railroad this month. It connects Spokane, Washington in the east with Portland, Oregon in the west.
Mount Hood Railroad number 240, a Jeep 7, leads a mixed manifest train through the town of Reveston. The train started its journey in Eugene, which is in staging, and will finish the day in Portland.
The Mount Hood Railroad is a freelance railroad modeled by the Mount Hood Model Engineers in Portland, Oregon. It connects Spokane, Washington with Portland, traveling through the fertile farmland of the Palouse and the mythical town of Bridgeport on the Snake River through the Blue Mountains of Oregon.
We watch the Jeep 7 and Jeep 20 through the trees as the two units come around the sharp curve on the branch line. The train will travel through the fertile Willamette River Valley before passing through Clackamas and switching onto the main line. Thanks for checking us out. You can learn more about the magazine at www.tsmrr.com.
We also have a free light edition of the monthly magazine that is great for all ages, and you can sign up for an account on the website.